Hanap mo ba ay trabaho dito sa Switzerland? Kung kayo bago sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos natin. Huwag kaligtang hampasin ang notification bell. Nood mo na bago subscribe para legit po tayo. Tamang na rin yung mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan natin sa content ito, yung 2026 job vacancies dito sa bansang ito. Tutok lang tayo. Dito ay babanggitin ko anong areas dito, sectors ang nangangailangan ng mga trabahante sa taong ito at anong mga companies, anong klaseng trabaho ang hinahanap nila at saang lugar dito sa Switzerland at kung pasok ba tayo na third country national at ano ang proseso sakali makakuha ka ng employer dito. Eto na. So, ngayong 2026 po, about 225,000 job vacancies in Switzerland. Ito ay sa healthcare, electricians, carpenters, retail personnel, project leaders, and service technicians. Mga companies na may mga openings, Manor. Ang Manor po, ito ay isang malaking shopping mall dito. Then Swiss Post, Migros is supermarket, Federal Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, Autos Discounter, and Co-op. Ang Co-op po ay pinakamalaking supermarket dito sa bansang ito at ito ang may-ari ng company, hotel na aking pinagtatrabahoan. Mga lugar, yan, sa Zurich, yan, Bern, French-speaking Switzerland, yung Wood. So, yun po, ang listahan, uri ng trabaho, mga kumpanya na bukas, at mga lugar kung saan kayo mag-apply. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, paano tayong third country nationals? Mayroon ba tayong chance rito? Ito pong sabi ng State Secretariat for Migration or SEM, admission of third state nationals to the Swiss labor market is only granted if it is in the interest of Switzerland and the Swiss economy as a whole. This means third country applicant must have a degree from a university or an institution of higher education as well as a number of years of professional work experience. Also, an equally qualified specialist can found among the Swiss or EU-EFTA workforce. Okay, Tagalogin natin. So, ito po yung sinasabi sa atin na tatlong major qualifications po ng third country nationals. Dapat mayroong degree tayo sa university, dapat mayroon tayong number of years of experience sa ating profession. At isa dyan, dapat walang nag-apply na mga locals doon sa position na ina-applyan mo. So, ito na yung mga sunod na gagawin kung sakali ay makahanap ka ng prospect employer. Sakali, mayroon ka ng job offer. Ano ang mangyayari sa application mo hanggang bumili ka ng ticket papunta rito? Ito, tutukan natin. So, kunyari, meron ka ng employer, nakakuha ka na ng employer mo, may job offer ka na. Ang employer mo ay isasubmit ang application mo for a work permit to the Employment Market Authority in the canton where the company is located. So the application will include your CV, proof of qualifications such as education, certificates, and references in the original language as well as certified translations if the documents are not in one of the Switzerland's official language or English. Also, the employer will have to prove that they have made attempts to recruit employees from the local as well as EU or EFTA workforce by advertising the vacancy in the Regional Employment Office and within the European Employment Services. Ito yung OIRES. Madalas ko sinasabi rito na priority talaga ang locals. Pero tayo mga third country nationals, kung wala silang makuhang applicants na mga locals, ito ay binibigay sa third country nationals. So, kanila itong ina-advertise sa kanilang system na OIRES, yeah? OIRES or URES system. So, doon, nilalathala nila, ito ang job openings ng company namin. Next, the cantonal office will examine the application on the basis of Foreign Nationals and Integration Act, which defines the requirement for obtaining visas and residence permits and make a preliminary decision. Okay. Ang sunod dyan, if the application is green-lighted at the cantonal level, it will then be forwarded to SEM for the final approval. Okay, provided that the permit quotas for non-EU EFTA nationals have not yet been exhausted for a given year, and that SEM approves your application, SEM, Secretariat, it will notify the employer and cantonal authorities accordingly. Yung sinasabi nating quotas dito, binanggit ko na sa isang video ko na this year mayroon pong ang Federal Council po nag-approve, naglaan ng 8,500 quota para po sa BNL permit para sa third country national. Kung hindi pa to exhausted, hindi pa to consume or hindi pa to puno, so yung mga applicants natin may chance pa na makakuha ng job dito. Ito na ang finale. That's because cantonal authorities still need to issue an electronic visa authorization to the Swiss embassy in your country. Once it is issued, you can collect it and book your ticket to Switzerland at that time. So ito po yung proseso. Okay, ulit-ulitin nyo lang, panoorin itong video ito para makuha natin ang proseso mula nang mayroon kang job offer hanggang sa ticket mo papunta rito. Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, comment down below. At sasagutin natin yan ayon sa ating kakayahan. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Nood muna bago mag-subscribe. Ciao!